So friends, let's see today's recipe. Now all ingredients with the exact measurements will be given in the description box below. So I'm just going over the ingredients. This is some cabbage which I've chopped very fine. Some fresh coriander chopped fine. This is some besan or chickpea flour. Some rice flour. Some salt to taste. This is ginger garlic paste. Some lime juice. Some haldi or turmeric powder. This is some red chili powder, some asafotidea or hing, some cumin seeds, a little bit of sugar. This is some garam masala. This is a plate that I have just greased with some oil. Now I'm going to mix the chickpea flour, the rice flour, and I'm going to give it a nice whisk so that both the flours mix up very well together. Next I'm going to add my chili powder, my sugar, the cumin seeds, and the asafotidea or hing. Again, I'm going to give everything a good mix. Next goes in the turmeric powder, the garam masala. Again, mix everything well. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Again, whisk it well. Next goes in the ginger garlic paste, the lime juice. Then goes in the fresh coriander, which is chopped fine, and the cabbage or the kobi. Now I'm just going to mix everything with my hand so that everything gets mixed very well. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of water at a time. And what we're looking for is a very thick paste, something like you would make when you make kanda, bhaji or something, very a thick paste. Now I'm just greased the plate and I'm going to just put it in. Now we want a thin plate, not a very deep dish. Now my steamer has been heating up and the water has been boiling in the steamer. So I'm going to place my plate into the steamer, close it up and put a timer of 10 minutes. And I'm going to let this steam on a high flame for 10 minutes. Now once the 10 minutes are over, I'm not going to open up my steamer, but I'm going to let it completely cool down till I'm able to, open it. It's cool enough to handle. So you can see that I've taken at least about 10 to 15 minutes for the steamer to completely cool, and you can see that it's all set. Now all you have to do is just loosen the vadya from the plate by just taking a sharp knife and turning around the edges, and then just cut them up into squares or whatever shape you would like to have your Kobichya Vadya in. And then we're just going to heat up some oil and we're just going to deep fry them. Now if you don't want to deep fry them, you can have them just as they are. You can even just shallow fry them very lightly, or you can have them just like that. They taste amazing. Now I'm serving this with some very chilled chutney, which is some green chutney, and I've just added some curd